If you use this word tiffin, तो जान लो this word is not in Hindi nor in Marathi and not even in modern day English. In fact, if you go to London today and ask them for tiffin, they'll think you are asking for a chocolate biscuit. However, in Mumbai, it literally runs the city. It is the midday savior of the city. To trace the origins of this word, we have to travel back to 1700s when the British soldiers in India were struggling. Their meat-heavy European diet was not feasible as it was making them sick and sluggish. And that's when they started stealing a habit from the locals, that is, eating in small portions throughout the day instead of one big feast. Now that they had acquired the habit, they needed a name for it. Back in England, there was this obscure term called tiff-ing, which literally meant taking a small sip of watered down booze. It was basically light drinking. But when those soldiers moved to Mumbai, the meaning shifted. Tiff-ing became tiff-in. It went from a light drink to having a light midday meal to stay cool in the tropical heat of the city. But here's the interesting part. In the late 1800s, the working class people of Mumbai in the fort area realized that they couldn't survive anymore on those boring and bland sandwiches and light snacks from British, and they literally turned a word for sip of liquor into a 5-tier metal box with sabzi, roti, dal, chawal and everything they wanted from home. Then came the Dabbawalas, and soon this word tiffin became a part of a Six Sigma logistic chain that still runs the city. I am Harshil and this was today's bit on the history of Mumbai. Follow me for more.